Guys, we're looking at replacing a 5-ton unit here. Disconnect has been recently replaced, so we'll leave the existing disconnect. Depending on the breaker outside, we might have to put a fuse disconnect out here. Our line set looks like it is the correct size on the outside, so I'll double check the inside and see what the line set looks like in there. So as of now, we'll flush existing line set. We'll put a new pad in. There should be enough rock here to rake back over to cover everything, but a new pad to get the unit nice and level. Right up the hill here is where you'll be parking, so you have easy access from the road. And then here's your model and serial number for this unit. Okay, that should be it out here. Thanks. All right, guys, we're down here in the basement. We'll be doing a replacement of AC and coil. Paperwork here. Should be fairly straightforward. Potentially going to be changing out the electronic air cleaner and then doing some return duct work to get a wraparound return in, or put this unit up on a base. I'm not quite sure which one yet. So with our AC and coil replacement, we'll be removing the coil. We'll flush the existing line set. We'll set new coil on top of existing furnace. Condensate line runs from the back of the unit there down onto the ground and over into the floor drain. Flue pipe might get in our way, so we'll break the flue pipe off up here at the top and remove it, and then we can reinstall the exact same flue pipe. Electrical to the furnace is good. Gas to the furnace is to code. We don't have to worry about any of that stuff. Only thing we might run into some problems with if we do this wraparound is some space constrictions on the side over here. So I'll get a measurement on how much space we have from the side of the unit to the wall there. Let me back up and kind of give you an overview of everything. We'll reuse existing humidifier. And then down here on the bottom is your model and serial number for the furnace. And then over here, I'll get your model and serial number for the coil. You will be walking through finished space, so make sure you bring floor runners and tarps to walk through the house so we don't dirty up the floors. And then of course the shoe covers. That's it, thanks. Here's the panel box for the house. We have a 50 double pole breaker for the air conditioner. Most likely we're going to have to change that to a 40 amp breaker, or we'll put a fuse disconnect outside. And it's a Kraus and Heinz panel box. That should be it. Thanks.